everyone, welcome back to Pine Tree Programming. Last week, you learned how to program your microbit using buttons as inputs. When you pressed a button, your program reacted by showing an icon or image on the screen. Today, we're going to take that idea a step further. What if you could control your microbit without pressing any buttons at all? What if your program could react when you shake it, tilt it, or move it around? Well, it can. Inside your microbit is a tiny sensor called an accelerometer. An accelerometer can detect motion and direction. That means the microbit can tell you if it's being shaken, tilted left or right, or even dropped. Lots of real devices use sensors like this. Your phone, a fitness tracker, a video game controller, and even cars use motion sensors to detect movement and react. Today, you will learn how to program your microbit to respond to these movements. In computer science, when something happens that makes a program react, we call that an event. For example, pressing a button is an event, shaking the microbit is an event, tilting the microbit is an event. Your program will wait for an event, and when it happens, it will run the code that you wrote. In this lesson, you'll start by programming your microbit to respond to gestures like shaking or tilting. Then you'll build something really cool, your own motion controller. Your microbit will react to different actions like tilting left or right, shaking the device, or pressing buttons. By the end of the activity, your microbit will work like a mini game controller, responding to movement and inputs just like real technology does. So get ready to experiment, test your ideas, and see what your microbit can do. Let's get started and have a great week 2 of Pine Tree Programming.